Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're going down to Las Vegas, Nevada. Before that, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake, where I'm going to show you my taco hack. Make sure you stay till the end. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. First up, I'm going to make a drink. This is called a banana cow, and it's a martini style drink. So I have my martini shaker with ice. According to my bartender's guide, it's 1 1/2 ounce of light rum, 1 ounce of creme de banana, and 1 ounce of cream. And we're gonna give that a shake. And that goes into my martini glass. And that, my friends, is a banana cow. Alright, this is my taco hack. If you don't have any ground beef, or you don't want to cook a pound of ground beef, you just take one sausage and just take it out of the casing and cook it up like it was ground beef. And you can get at least 2 tacos out of one sausage casing. So I got my sausage cooked off. This is going to be a lot like a chorizo taco, but this is mild Italian sausage, and this is about the most un-Mexican taco you could possibly have. Now with these store-bought and taco shells, the key is to toast them in the oven. It doesn't matter how stale they are. If you toast them, they'll be good. So I'm gonna load up my taco meat into my taco shell. So just as I said, I got enough meat from one sausage casing to do 2 tacos. I need taco sauce on my tacos. And then we'll do a little bit of tomato and lots of cheddar cheese. And again, this is a very un-Mexican taco. And we'll get that set up for Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. I got my taco hack here, and we're gonna do a drink to go with that. This is called a Detroit Daisy. It's another martini style drink. So we'll get some ice in the glass here, and it actually calls for 2 ounces of dark rum. I'm going light today. And 1 ounce of fresh lime juice and a splash of grenadine. And we'll give that a shake. Into my martini glass. And according to the bartender's guide, it calls for a mint sprig and a green cherry garnish. I just have a nice lime garnish today. And that's a Detroit Daisy to go with my tacos. Thanks for joining me on another edition of Appies with Chappy by the Lake. Coming up next, we're going to Vegas. So on a recent trip to Las Vegas, I went to Hot and Juicy Crawfish. Now it is a franchise, but it's one of my favorites, and every time I'm in Vegas, I go. And I did get some crawfish. As far as the seasoning goes, they have 5 different kind of spice levels and 5 different kind of sauces. They have Louisiana, Juicy Cajun, garlic butter, lemon pepper, and the hot and juicy. I always get the hot and juicy sauce. So the deal is it comes in a bag like that, and it's cooked in the sauce. The hot and juicy, it's very spicy and flavorful. I detect some citrus in there as well. It's my favorite sauce. Of course, with crawfish, you're supposed to twist the head, suck the head, and pull the tail out and eat it. I'm just trying to fumble around with a lemon wedge there. I'm trying to film and put a lemon on my crawfish. And there you go. And then because I was in Vegas, I didn't want to just get crawfish, so I got a little decadent and I ordered a lobster tail as well. And I had that in the hot and juicy sauce as well. So, and that comes the same way in a bag. And of course, they give you those gloves. I probably needed some. They also gave you a bib. I probably needed protective goggles as well. But the lobster tail was nice and juicy and meaty. And now the Vegas location, I think they get the crawfish flown in from Louisiana, so they don't always have the fresh. So this was actually the frozen crawfish. It's a little cheaper, but I'm from Canada, so I probably don't know the difference anyhow. But I love this place. If you like spicy seafood, this is the place to go. And if you want to treat yourself, get the lobster tail. They also have crab legs and mussels. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar Las Vegas edition. This is Chappy saying, life is hard. That's just the way it goes. Sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.